For leaders in organizations, this is for you. Excuse me. Create clear policies. Anti-bullying, anti-harassment policies should define gaslighting, projection, and bullying explicitly. Training and awareness, regular workshops help employees recognize subtle manipulation and empower them to respond. I'm here to help with that. Encourage reporting. Anonymous reporting systems reduce fear of retaliation. Investigate thoroughly. Take complaints seriously. Investigate promptly. Do your Six Sigma root cause analysis. All right. Investigate promptly. You just got a complaint of a supervisor mistreating a worker. You need to investigate that. You need to do a root cause analysis of that immediately. And again, I can help you with that. I can help organize the root cause analysis. We can go through the root cause analysis. It is not something that's done in 20 minutes. It is something that asks why, over and over again from multiple people until we get to a root cause, the root cause. And I can help with those as well. Investigate, reduce the fear of retaliation. If you have an organization where others in the organization are afraid of retaliation because of what they've seen or witnessed, you have a fear of retaliation within your organization. That's going to prevent innovation. That's going to prevent creativity. That's going to prevent speaking up in any space that's out there. And certainly there's not going to be a safe space in the organization if there's fear of retaliation. There's not going to be a place, maybe anonymously, but even we all know, like some places, some organizations, we submit things anonymously and everybody knows who it is anyway. It's not anonymous. Investigate thoroughly. Take complaints. I already said that. Okay. Foster culture of respect. Promote transparency. That's rough. Accountability and psychological safety to prevent toxic dynamics. Promote transparency with integrity, accountability, and psychological safety to prevent toxic work dynamics.